Okay, quite a few questions in this paper here, so we'll start straight in with question 1. Need to factorise this top line. So 2x and x, 15 is made up of a 5 and a 3. So if I put my 5 here, my 3 there, I get 10 on the outside and 3 on the inside. I want it to be a positive 7, so positive 10 take away 3. The bottom line multiplies to give minus 35 and adds to give minus 2. So it's minus 7 and plus 5. That already is factorised. Oh, sorry. I see the 2. Take the 2 out. I read that wrong. And the bottom line is a difference of 2 squares. So 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. So that cancels here and this one cancels. And that, oh, I made another mistake. That should be a minus. Then that bracket cancels with that bracket, leaving you 2 over 2x add 3. Going on now and look at question 3. So I take question 3 up here. And it is find the first 3 terms in this binomial expansion. And as I'm writing it out, I see that it is 1 plus already. So I don't have to worry too much about that. So it's 1 plus nx plus n minus 1, 2 factorial x squared. So that ties up to 1 minus 2/3 x. Minus, that's a minus squared, it becomes plus, so it's minus overall. That 2 will cancel there. Over 3, and that's a 4. So it's, sorry, over 9. So it's 4 over 9 x squared. And that's your first bit. Your second bit is wanting you to use this to find the cube root of 0.88. So if you look, that's exactly the same as what you have. So put those two expressions equal to each other to find out what x is. So bringing that across, 2x is 1 minus 0.88. So that's working out x to be 0. Bring that, take that away and then divide it by 2. That gives you 0.12, so 0.06. And you sub that into your expression from part 1. So your approximate value is 1 minus 2/3 times your x minus 4 over 9 times your x squared. Just straight into your calculators, 0.958 should work out there for you. And now it's question 6a. Just get this up on the phone here a second. So 6a. Use the partial fractions to rewrite, was quite a big one, x add 10 over 2x minus 5 x squared. Okay, so it's a repeated root. That's the first thing I've noticed there when I'm writing this out. So I'm going to write that as a over the first plus b over the x plus c over the repeat. Now work out your top lines. So it's x plus 10 equals a, x squared, plus b, 2x minus 5, then you need an extra x, and c, 2x minus 5. So first of all, put x equals 0 to work that one out. Put a 0 in there, that disappears, this disappears, and leaves you minus 5c. Sorry, that should be 10. So c is minus 2. Then you could choose x to be 5 over 2. So 2.5 plus 10 is 12.5. 2.5 squared, 6.25 times a. That will disappear, and so will that. And that will give you a to be 2. And I suppose the easiest way of working out now, I've got to get the b. It's got a coefficient of x squared. So we'll just do coefficient of x squared. There's no x squared on this side. Coefficient is an a. You've got 2x squared times b is 2b. And you've no x squared there. So putting your a in and working that out, b is minus 1. So your expression, x plus 10 over 2x minus 5x squared equals a plus b plus c. Part 2 is wanting you to differentiate that. So I'm just going to write it out a little bit better. So y equals 2, and bring this as a bracket up. Bring that x up, and bring that x squared up. And if you differentiate that, power goes to front, take 1 off. Power goes to front, take 1 off. Power goes to front, take 1 off. Now, I made a mistake again. Whenever you differentiate a bracket, don't forget to put the derivative in. So it's minus 4 over 2x minus 5 squared plus 1 over x squared plus 4 over x cubed. Just remember, whenever you differentiate, to put the derivative of the bracket in.